Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and the walk around video for the 218D M Sport 2-door coupe here at Your Next Car. The vehicle is a 2018 registered vehicle. It does come presented in the 3-stage pearl white. As you can see, it is also a Facelift 2 series, so we've got those very eye-catching Facelift LED headlights alongside the 18-inch Facelift M Sport wheels that have just been professionally refurbished in the original bi-colour jet black, and all the way around do come with the premium mixed run flat tyres. Down the side you can not only see that fantastic 3-stage pearl white, over the top the vehicle has also received a full gloss roof. Also does come with the very nice carbon effect wing mirror caps, privacy glass on the rear windows. We've also got the satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals and the gloss black sidebars. In terms of the interior for this car, we've got a very nice contrasting coral red Dakota leather. As you can see there, that does come with the electric lumbar option. 6-speed manual, and we shall of course show you more of the interior details once to take a seat inside in just a few moments. In terms of the rear seats, there is ISOFIX ready rear bench, central storage tray, and again all of that is in superb condition. And of course you still have that wonderful darkened M Sport headlining. Round towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those wonderful 18-inch M Sport wheels, and trying to highlight as best as possible that wonderful 3-stage pearl white. At the back of the vehicle we do have the LED rear facelift lights, as well as a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the matching rear diffuser. If you have not yet seen the boot space for a 2 series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as it does of course mean it's a very practical vehicle with split folding seats and a huge boot space itself, as well as being a fantastic looking and driving car. Around the driver's side, once again everything is exceptionally clean and tidy on this vehicle, and it really does work exceptionally well with those additions we've made. We shall now go through, take a seat inside and just show you more of the interior features. Again, everything is very nice and clean and tidy on the driver's side. Stepping inside, we've got the facelifted BMW business navigation and media screen. As you can see, that comes with the Connected Drive Plus option. That gives you access to all of the online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. This is of course a great way to stay connected whilst out and about. Also, another feature for the facelift is this wonderful LED backlit display. Gives a much newer and fresher feeling to the interior of the car. You'll also see there it's covered just over 31,000 miles. Showing you the rest of the standard features now. As you can see, we've got the sat nav open there. That utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Bluetooth, telephone and audio, as well as of course DAB and all of the other usual refinements, including a USB and AUX input. We'll go through and quickly show you the service requirements and service history for this vehicle. As you can see, everything is highlighted in green. 10,000 miles till next service, and there is 2 recorded services from BMW, both a pre-delivery inspection and the first service there. So I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around, and from us all here at Your Next Car, we do of course hope to see yourselves very soon. In the meantime, however, if you want to find out some more about this wonderful 2 series, I'll leave some links for you in the description to further check out this car on our website, including all of the prices and funding options that are available. Thank you, take care and bye bye.